Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Toyota Corolla. As the automotive landscape evolves, the 2024 Toyota Corolla has been named the best small car for 2025, thanks to its blend of efficiency, style, and advanced technology. Known for its reliability and value, the latest Corolla model builds on its legacy, offering a compelling choice for drivers seeking a top-tier compact car. Impressive performance and efficiency. The 2024 Toyota Corolla continues to offer an engaging driving experience with a choice of powertrains that cater to various preferences. The standard model is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 169 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which ensures smooth and responsive acceleration. For those seeking even better fuel efficiency, the Corolla is also available in a hybrid variant that combines a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, achieving an estimated 50 miles per gallon combined. The Corolla's handling is characterized by its nimble and agile nature, making it well-suited for both urban commuting and highway driving. The car's well-tuned suspension and precise steering provide a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience, ensuring that drivers remain confident behind the wheel. Sleek and modern design. The 2024 Corolla features a contemporary design that blends elegance with sportiness. Its exterior is marked by a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined profile that enhances aerodynamics. The rear of the vehicle includes stylish taillights and a subtle rear spoiler, adding to its modern and dynamic appearance. Inside, the Corolla offers a well-designed and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and an intuitive layout. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music, and communication. Higher trims offer additional features such as leather upholstery, a premium audio system, and a larger 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Advanced safety features. The 2024 Corolla is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes a comprehensive range of advanced safety technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance driver and passenger safety. The Corolla also offers available options such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for additional protection. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Toyota Corolla has garnered acclaim for its combination of efficiency, design, and technology. Its competitive pricing and high-value features make it a practical choice for a wide range of drivers. Available at Toyota dealerships nationwide, the Corolla continues to attract those seeking a reliable, stylish, and well-rounded compact car. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Corolla stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a remarkable blend of performance, modern design, and advanced safety features. With its efficient powertrains, sleek styling, and comprehensive technology, the Corolla delivers a driving experience that meets the demands of today's drivers while maintaining its reputation for reliability and value.